guys? Josh here.
And Michelle.
And we are Adventures Ahead. And we have our guests, Bill and Amanda, who
Yeah.
also, we've made them, I think, Z-list celebrities?
Yep.
Oh,
Z-list.
Josh.
Because they did get recognized
On
from
one
our
of
vlogs.
Cruises on the Legend.
Yeah,
Yep.
Z-list.
We had two people come up to us and
But-
do us.
We do have a treat box unboxing, and they like to do these with us,
Yep.
don't you guys?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if they like to, but we make them.
Oh, what is this?
Is this
What-
Italy?
No,
Oh.
Turkey.
France?
Let's go with France.
Russia.
Oh.
Russia.
Welcome to Russia.
I'm
A
probably
country
exclusive.
sprawled across Eastern Europe into North Asia.
Look at this, is full of stuff.
Oh, good.
my.
Good.
It's
we
old.
like that.
We got 2 treat boxes.
Yeah,
today.
so this is like a month old. Dang, this is huge.
Oh,
Oh, yeah,
gosh.
we know.
So
Oh.
read some of these facts here.
Okay, Russia facts.
Russia.
Russia is one of the leading producers of oil and natural gas and is also a top exporter of steel and primary aluminum.
Oh.
Oh, we have an aluminum shortage right now,
Yeah.
so.
So some of this stuff we're gonna have to be really diligent with because they gave us like one,
Oh.
and it's like tiny.
Okay.
Okay, the first one is wafer candy by Hazelnut. So I'm gonna hand that one out to Michelle, and she can distribute it any way she deems. And like I said, there is one, and it's this
Oh.
size.
Or just
Oh,
split
it's
in
big.
half and
Okay,
we can
yeah.
split ours either.
So it's a hazelnut. It's chocolate glazed wafer candy with hazelnut cream filling. These wafers are perfect for a bite to snack or whenever you feel a sweet tooth.
It's okay. There you go. It looks like another butter.
Okay, let's see how we like it,
We
guys.
did this in Bill and Amanda's room so we could get crumbs all
There
over
we
it.
go.
Yep.
Careful. That got a bunch of crumbs on the top.
Russian nut or butter?
Well, it's not peanut butter, though.
Is it good?
Hazelnut.
Hazelnut.
Eh.
Nah.
Mhm.
Keep the wrapper because we have to say what's weird and all
Okay.
that.
It doesn't have much flavor.
It's bitter. Bitter chocolate.
Okay, we did get
It's a
two of
tight
these.
fit on this couch.
We did get two of these.
Okay.
I don't know.
So
what
you can
to
give
do.
them-
No, it's okay. It's fine.
And then, but oh, don't
I
open it
have
yet.
broad shoulders. Look
Are
at
these
it.
the same thing?
No,
No,
this
this
is
is different.
It's all
Koroba
that
wafer
factory strength
candy.
you have, Michelle.
Condensed milk flavor by Rot Front.
It says
Rot front.
Rocanawa.
Yep.
Rot Front.
Rot.
Our wafer sticks glazed in chocolate, sweet in flavor and crunchy in texture.
I
You
feel
can
like
enjoy
it's the
them with
same.
milk, coffee,
More
or their-
wafer sticks.
They like wafers in Russia.
You take a bite.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take one bite.
That one.
Is it
This one's
hazelnut?
better.
Yeah, I like this one better. Darker chocolate.
Oh.
I
It
don't
has
want
more flavor, but
Tastes like coffee,
yeah,
don't
Oh,
it?
yeah.
Yeah,
you can finish it.
like espresso.
That one better.
Okay.
That one is better.
What's this next thing?
Oh, man.
What's the next wafer in the box?
Yeah.
This is next. It is called Karashki. Are Russian croutons made from freshly baked bread. These croutons are a product without use of deep frying to preserve an unforgettable flavor and nutritional qualities.
Bread, our favorite.
Yeah, we do love bread.
Yep.
Croutons.
Crouton.
One a piece, Amanda, not a handful.
Jeez.
I know, you're like grabbing like 50.
There's a bunch.
One.
Okay, we got croutons.
Okay, they're brown.
Is there a salad coming out?
These taste just like ham.
They do. They do taste like ham.
Just because they are ham and cheese.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, I felt the cheese.
Yeah.
You felt it?
Wow.
My teeth.
Oh, these taste wonderful.
Mm.
They're like a Cheez-It kind of.
Tastes just
like
like
a ham
ham.
cheese it.
Yeah,
Okay, they're interesting.
those are saved for me.
A ham and cheese it.
Okay, next is a Korova candy by Rot Front again.
Man, Rot Front is not a good name for a candy company.
Okay,
This box is nuts.
okay. Our candy's made with caramel and condensed milk, sweet in flavor and soft in texture. You can enjoy them with milk, coffee, or their own mouth-watering
What's
treat.
this side look like?
Oh, mine's darker. Is it dark? Oh, wait.
It feels weird.
I'm just
Oh,
Interesting.
And like, I don't like the texture. It's not bad flavor, no, but it's kind of like that sand. Remember from Mexico?
I'm recovering from a cold, so I'm trying not to cough.
Those
but
aren't bad.
Josh is like,
very sweet.
well,
What do you think, Bill?
That
Brown.
texture reminds me of candy corn.
ew.
Yeah.
But worse.
You know, candy corn has a harder texture.
Yep.
You want to finish that?
You
Not
want it?
really.
No,
No.
it's not bad.
It's really sweet, really good.
Yep.
Like brown sugar packed together
Yeah, that's a good, accurate.
with water, like it poured water.
I think we're missing something.
Oh, we're right in treat box.
No, we're not. Okay.
Treat box.
Banaki chick chocolate.
At least they give two.
Our delicious chocolate in baton shape, made with milk, a lovely combination of milk and
These are
cocoa,
weird
carefully
textures.
wrapped and enjoyed. Can be really enjoyed.
Could you put this in the toilet?
Michelle.
Not texture is bad too.
Oh, I don't like that at all. It's like sand.
Both of them are gritty texture.
That's awful. Isn't it, Bill?
The flavor.
I
It
don't know what to do with it.
I was eating it.
Oh,
almost
gosh.
tastes like that French chocolate, but
Ew.
Ew.
worse. Or
Not good.
I keep eating it now.
That's
oh, man.
You like that, Amanda?
No, but I couldn't stop eating.
Any of you Russian people out there, if you happen to watch this, some of your candy's nasty.
I need a piece of ham just to wash it down.
Oh, God.
Oh, the next one is this only. It's got a big baby's face on it.
It's like a baby.
Look.
Yeah.
Get in my
I'll let
belly.
Amanda unwrap
Oh
this.
god.
Okay.
Is it
Chocolate candy
Baby, get
By
in my
Aleka.
belly.
is individually wrapped bite-sized piece of chocolate candy from reputed Russian confectionist Electra. Each bite is rich taste, a smooth, velvety texture.
Well,
Here we go.
okay.
Is it wafer in the bottom and top? They like
Or
their wafers. That's I like that.
That's good.
Oh, that is good.
We wish we had more of those.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this feels. I don't know.
Melted. I can't-
Chocolate souffle.
Oh, well, you just.
Oh,
And its name implies a spectaculous, sumptuous, richly flavored, individually wrapped chocolate flavored souffle.
with wafers.
They love wafers.
Is it a cake? Oh, dipped in chocolate.
No?
He just tear it. He did that.
Okay.
We don't care.
Oh,
Oh. Is it like melting cake in the middle? Oh.
it's melting in my finger.
It's like melting fingers.
Oh. It's almost like a marshmallow
It is like a chocolate marshmallow.
dipped in chocolate.
No.
Oh, it's not good though.
Nope, I don't like the
It's
flavor.
not
The
good at all.
texture is weird.
The
These
flavor is not
textures are
good.
really weird.
Oh. Ew.
It's
Not good.
like
This is
coconut.
Hitachi raspberry cheesecake souffle.
I'll let you do this one.
But it's different. That's green. This is showing pink. So I don't think that's,
probably
raspberry.
mine.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. They gave us
Oh,
the
no.
wrong one.
There's some scary guy on the front of this too.
1920s guy.
Is this the last thing?
Yeah.
Okay, I can't keep all these straight.
Wait a minute.
There's a lot of chocolate in this one.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It's key lime. That's my
I
guess.
bet you.
Good luck.
It's like weird
Ugh.
texture.
You don't want me to throw that in your mouth again?
Ah, word.
This one works.
This one stinks. Ew!
What's
Nope.
the flavor?
Key lime.
No, it's
It's
not.
not good.
I don't know what the flavor is.
Nah, that's sick.
Ugh.
It's like gummy chocolate.
Okay, give me that wrapper back, sucker.
The textures are horrible.
Yeah. Okay, so that was the treat box from Russia.
Ugh.
I give Russia probably a thumbs down because their
Yeah.
treats suck except for their.
The
Okay,
savory
so
one.
okay, what was the best? I'm going with these ham things.
I'm going with the baby chocolate.
The baby chocolate.
Baby chocolate.
I'm going with these hams. What was the absolute worst?
This
Was that
chocolate.
green?
I'm saying this
log.
key lime.
No, for me it was like
This.
Oh, the chocolate log.
Yeah, chocolate log.
Oh yeah, that was awful. The weirdest is this key lime.
No, I think the weirdest is the crouton, ham crouton.
Oh, I love the ham.
What do you guys think the weirdest was?
This one.
that was a weird flavor, but it was good. It was good, but it was weird.
I don't know. The
I
brown
wanna-
sugar packed up.
Oh yeah, both
Weird.
those were. Oh
Okay.
Weird.
No.
yeah.
Stay tuned for the next one.
You just
Yep.
like to eat those ham things. Here you go.
Stay tuned for the next one.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.